Do you not believe that life is God-given?
There is no God.
What do all the people in the world believe in then?
Their beliefs are blind. The very word belief means blind. If you know, you know. You do not believe. You don't believe in the sun, in the moon. You don't believe in the roses, in the trees. You believe in God. You believe in heaven. You believe in hell. Those are all fictions.
Are you a God or a man?
No.
You are a man?
I am just an ordinary man.
But you are enlightened.
That is not much of a difference. It is just the difference between closed eyes and open eyes.